Today we are going to talk about comparison of adjective and superlative. Comparative. Comparative used to compare the difference between two things or two people. We use adjectives to make this comparison. There are three types of adjectives depending on the number of syllables in that adjective. Adjectives with one syllable like small, fast, big. Adjectives with two syllables like happy, simple, tilted. Adjectives with three or more syllables like important, expensive. Let's go back to comparative. Forming comparative with one syllable adjectives by adding er. Like fast, faster, high, higher, large, larger. But if the adjective has a consonant plus single vowel plus consonant, spelling the final consonant must be doubled before adding er. Like big, bigger, fat, fatter, sad, sadder. Adjectives with two syllables we either add er or put more before the adjective. Like tilted, more tilted, nice, nicer, simple, simpler. If the short adjectives end with the letter Y, we delete Y and put I instead of it. Like heavy, heavier, dirty, dirtier. Adjectives with three or more syllables, we will put more in front of them. Like important, more important, expensive, more expensive. And now we are going to give more examples. Omar is taller than Ali. My brother looks happier than my sister. My share is bigger than yours. Superlative. They are used in sentence where a subject is compared to a group of objects. Forming superlative with one syllable adjectives by adding est. Like large, largest, high, highest, fast, fastest. But if the adjective has a consonant plus single vowel plus consonant, spelling the final consonant must be doubled before adding est. Like fat, fattest, sad, saddest, big, biggest. Adjectives with two syllables we either add est or by precede the adjective with the most. Like simple, the simplest, tilted, the most tilted, happy, the happiest. Adjective with three or more syllables we will put the most in front of them. Like important, the most important, expensive, the most expensive. Examples. She is the smartest girl in our class. This iPhone is the most expensive cell phone in the store. Ali is the fattest man of all. Now we will talk about irregular adjectives in comparative and superlative. There are adjectives that don't take more, the most, er and est, even though they contain one or more syllables. Like good, better, the best, bad, worst, the worst, little, least, the least. Examples: Omar is the best of all. The red earphone is worse than the black one. The mushrooms on the right are the best of all.